What's the meaning of citronella? Citronella. Citronella.
Citronella. Citronella. Citronella is a type of fragrant grass species that belongs to the Cymbopogon genus. It is native to tropical Asia and produces an oil that is commonly used in insect repellents, candles, soaps, and perfumes. The oil is highly valued for its insect-repelling properties and is said to be effective against mosquitoes, flies, and other biting insects. Citronella oil is also used as a flavoring agent in food and beverages and is believed to have several health benefits, including pain relief and improved digestion. Overall, citronella is a versatile and beneficial plant utilized in various industries.